I have a Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to connect to a hidden Wi-Fi network. So hidden Wi-Fi networks will never appear in the list of available networks. And so to connect to your Samsung Smart TV, go to settings. Under settings, go to all settings. And on the all settings pop-up window, scroll down to connection, select that, and then go to network, select that, and then go to open network settings. Now here choose wireless because it's a hidden wireless network, and it's going to search for available Wi-Fi networks. So since our the Wi-Fi network we want to connect to is hidden, it will not appear in this list. So what you want to do is scroll down and select add network. Now, one thing you have to know about connecting to a hidden wireless network is you have to know the network name, which is a network SSID, and also the network password. And you have to know the exact name. That's why it's called SSID, because it's actually a network ID. So you have to know the correct exact name of that Wi-Fi network. So type in the name of the hidden wireless network, and you have to type in the name exactly the way it is, including spaces and caps lock, and then select go, and then choose the security type of that network. Now for most networks it's going to be this one, all right, or this one, but mostly it's this one. So I'll select that, and then I'll enter the password of that hidden Wi-Fi. Again, the password has to be exactly the way it should be. And then tap on go. And there you go. So it's been connected, and that is basically how to connect your Samsung Smart TV to a hidden Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.